Welcome to Lloret de Mar, the sparkling heart of Costa Brava, Catalonia. This town is famous for its vibrant energy and breathtaking coastline. Here, the sun feels warmer, and the sea glows a deep, brilliant blue. Lloret de Mar is a place where history and relaxation meet. Once a fishing village, now a beloved destination for generations. Our journey starts at Lloret de Mar Beach, the town's lively centerpiece. The rhythmic waves and salty Mediterranean air instantly set a relaxing mood. The beach stretches like a golden ribbon, framed by rocky cliffs and a historic castle. The sand sparkles under the Spanish sun, inviting you to slow down and savor the moment. Families play, couples stroll, and friends laugh under colorful umbrellas. There's a contagious sense of joy here. The crystal clear water is perfect for a swim, and the scenery feels straight out of a postcard. Nature's beauty and human history blend seamlessly, creating an unforgettable atmosphere. Lloret de Mar welcomes you with open arms and promises memories you'll cherish. It's easy to see why so many fall in love with this sun-kissed paradise. Let's dive in and discover what makes this place so special. Let's kick off our shoes and step onto Lloret's unique, golden sand. The coarse grains don't cling, making every step comfortable and grounding. This shoreline has welcomed visitors for centuries. You can almost feel the history beneath your feet. The beach is alive with color, bright towels, umbrellas, and the laughter of children playing in the waves. Kayaks and paddleboards glide across the water, while parasails float above, offering stunning views. To the left, rugged cliffs create hidden coves. To the right, the iconic Castel den Playa stands watch. The combination of soft sand, clear water, and dramatic rocks is pure Costa Brava magic. As you near the water, the gentle waves and cool Mediterranean refresh your senses. The simple pleasure of the sea washing over your feet is unforgettable. Here, nature's beauty invites you to slow down and appreciate life's simple joys. This is the essence of Lloret de Mar. Now, let's explore the bustling Passeig d'Agustí Font, Lloret's palm-lined promenade. Locals and visitors mingle here, jogging, cycling, or simply soaking in the sea views. Cafes and restaurants spill onto terraces, filling the air with the aroma of coffee and fresh seafood. The promenade is a social hub, where people savor food, conversation, and the relaxed Mediterranean pace. Modern hotels stand beside charming old buildings, reflecting the town's blend of history and modernity. Shops offer everything from beachwear to artisan crafts, perfect for browsing and discovering local treasures. Friendly faces and warm welcomes are everywhere. Benches invite you to pause and enjoy panoramic views of the beach and sparkling sea. Watch boats drift by and feel the gentle breeze. This walkway is designed for pure enjoyment. Here, every step is a celebration of life by the sea. The promenade captures the spirit of Lloret de Mar, vibrant, welcoming, and endlessly beautiful. Take your time. This is a place to savor. At the beach's eastern end stands Castel den Playa, a striking castle built in the 1930s, now an iconic symbol of Lloret de Mar. Its towers and walls create a dramatic silhouette, marking the start of the scenic Camí de Ronda coastal path. From here, you can gaze back at the sweeping bay and vibrant town below. These paths, once used by fishermen and guards, now offer breathtaking views and a sense of history. At the opposite end, the bronze Donna Marinera statue honors the women who waited for loved ones to return from sea. Touching her foot is said to bring good luck and ensure your return. This statue is more than art. It's a tribute to Lloret's maritime heritage and the strength of its people. Standing here, you feel connected to generations who've called this coast home. The stories and symbols along the shore make Lloret de Mar's history come alive. Every step reveals a new chapter in this town's rich legacy. No visit to Lloret de Mar is complete without savoring its Mediterranean cuisine. Beachside chiringuitos tempt you with the aroma of grilled sardines, fried calamari and steaming paella. Imagine sitting under an umbrella enjoying gambas al ajillo, shrimp sizzling in garlic and olive oil. Pair it with patatas bravas and a fresh salad of local tomatoes and olives. Simple, high-quality ingredients let the natural flavors shine. A glass of local wine or a fruity sangria completes the meal, perfectly complementing the salty sea air. Dining here is about more than food. It's about connection, laughter, and savoring the moment. The friendly staff are proud to share their culture and stories, making every meal memorable. Meals are unhurried, inviting you to relax and soak in the atmosphere. This is Mediterranean living at its best: fresh flavors, warm hospitality, and unforgettable views. Sharing a meal here is a memory you'll carry long after you leave. Lloret's food is a celebration of land, sea, and community. Come hungry, you'll leave with a full heart. As the sun dips, Lloret de Mar transforms in the golden hour. The sand glows, the sea sparkles, and the energy softens into a romantic calm. Couples stroll, families gather, and the sky becomes a canvas of orange and pink. Find a spot on the warm sand, listen to the waves, and let the gentle breeze wash over you. Maybe you take one last swim, floating as the day fades into night. This is pure bliss, a moment to be present and at peace. Lloret de Mar invites you to disconnect from the rush and reconnect with nature and yourself. Whether you explore, relax, or simply watch the sunset, you leave renewed. The memories here are more than just sights, they're feelings of happiness and freedom. This isn't just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you. Lloret de Mar is waiting for you to discover its magic. Travel is about more than places. It's about people, culture, and connection. Every journey teaches us something new and reminds us of our shared humanity. Sharing these adventures with you is a privilege and a joy. My goal is to inspire a community of travelers and dreamers, exploring the world together. Your support, by subscribing, helps keep these stories coming and this community growing. Thank you for joining me on the sunlit shores of Lloret de Mar. I hope you felt the warmth and magic of this place. The world is full of beautiful pages. Let's turn them together. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and remember, the best journeys are the ones we share. Thank you for being here.